Hi guys, the Kitchen Fairy here with YouTube Steam It and Steam, and today I'd like to share you a recipe for soup from Indonesia. The soup is very common, you can find in household almost daily, and it's called Lodeh. It is with coconut milk, so the soup itself will be kind of whitish because of the coconut milk, but it tastes delicious. Well, the following soup is, I can still call it lodeh, but it's not authentically like the one the mummies or the parents or the ladies in Indonesia would make it, because I added red lentils and also bulgur because I love them. I think they add more nutritious to the soup itself. Check out the full video if you'd like to make this soup. It's pretty easy. It's just veggie soup. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon again. Bye. Boil a bag of mixed veggies until tender. Inside this it has cauliflower, broccoli and carrots in enough water, just enough to cover it. Go into food processor or a blender. Make a paste of a pinch of ground coriander with 5 garlic and a small onion. Veggies boiling. We drop about 1/4 cup of bulgur and 1/4 cup of red lentil, and just give a stir and cook until veggies tender and bulgur and red lentil also tender. Once veggies are tender, drop into cubes of vegetables cube and also the paste and a can of coconut milk. Add some seasoning and adjust the flavor, and that's about it. You can blend it to make cream soup, but otherwise this is good. Once the coconut, it was frozen, I used frozen coconut milk. Once it dissolves, your soup's ready.